Let's look at the best auto-tune plugin. I mean the best auto-tune ever. We're gonna try any auto-tune that I'm having, and right after this you will know the best auto-tune to go for. Alright, that's super simple. Let's do this right after the intro. So if you are new here, the name is Godside once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell. Let me know where you are watching me from. By the way, give the video a like if it helps you. Without wasting much of your time, let's do this. I think the best way for you to know the right auto-tune to go for, we have to experiment with this ad-lib. Alright, so the key for this ad-lib is C minor, and the BPM is 120 BPM. So we're gonna set the BPM 120 BPM. That's super simple. Next thing we're gonna do is to double click on that, then route this to the mixer track 1. Next we're gonna create our channel. Right click on any of the insert channels, then give it a color like this, then hit accept, call it reverb, then we're gonna hit accept. Alright, then what we're gonna do is to right click and go to dark to right. Alright, so this is gonna dark it to the right. Anytime you close the mixer track, we're still gonna see this. Alright, that's pretty simple. So first thing first, let's listen to this ad-lib without any effect. That's super simple. Next thing we're gonna do is to introduce our reverb, and I'm gonna use the Valhalla Vintage reverb. If you don't know how to use reverb, then watch the video that will pop up on the screen, and I will show you the secret way to use reverb, how the pros are using reverb. Anybody can do it. Alright, so watch the video that will pop up on the screen. So I'm gonna cut off a little bit of the low ends, then we're gonna route our audio track, I mean the ad-lib track, to the reverb. All you need to do is to click on that, then just click enable send. Alright, and this is gonna route our insert track 1 to the reverb channel. Let's play it so that you can hear it. So you can hear there are a lot of reverbs. How do you control it? All you need to do is to play with this knob here. Alright, let's give it a little bit. That's super simple. So the very first auto tune that we're gonna try is auto tune EVO VST. So we're gonna set the key, change the scale to minor, then it is what, C minor. Alright, push the routine speed all the way up, then give it a little bit humanize. If you also don't know how to use auto-tune, I've done a lot of videos. Alright, so watch the video that will pop up on the screen, or you can go to my channel and watch most of the auto-tune tutorials. So let's listen to this auto-tune EVO from Antares. Let me change the buffer length, go to audio settings, then change it to 2048. Alright, the higher the buffer length, the more processing power you're gonna have when processing data in FL Studio. Let's listen to it once again. That's pretty simple. Crazy. Alright, let's try the next auto tune. So guys, comment, let me know your favorite. The next auto tune on the list is Autotune 8.1. is also great auto tune. Alright, let's push the routine speed all the way up, give it a little bit humanize. Since it's a female, we're gonna stick to the soprano input type. Listen. Alright, move on to the next auto tune that I'm having. The next auto tune on my list is Autotune Pro. We're gonna change the scale to minor, adjust the size a little bit. So now let me know your favorite. Push the routine speed, humanize it a little bit. Listen. Sound great, alright? Next auto tune on my list is Autotune EFS Plus. Push the routine speed, humanize it a little bit. So which auto-tune is the best? Let me know from the comments. Alright, move on to the next auto-tune, which is Autotune EFS. So Autotune EFS Plus is the advanced version of Autotune EFS. Alright, so let's try the old version of Autotune EFS Plus. Routine speed all the way up, humanize it a little bit. That's crazy. That's crazy. Moving on to the next auto-tune. Comment, guys, let me know. It's Autotune artist. Minor, routine speed up, humanize it a little bit. That's great. The last auto-tune on the list is Autotune access. Set the key, routine speed all the way up, humanize it a little bit. So among these 7 auto-tune plugins, which one is the best? Leave a comment. Let me know where you are watching me from. Alright, the link to Antares official website is in the description box, so click on that and go and purchase yours. That's super simple. Let me know where you are watching me from. Now that you know these auto-tunes, how do you use auto-tune like a pro to sound natural like the legends? Then watch the video that will pop up on the screen. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.